everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see the lab session for Module 8, Basic Scripting. So in this module, we will see some of the following scenario, which is like how to digitally sign a script and how we can processing an array using the ForEach option. And then we'll see how to process the items using the if statement, and then how to create a random password, and finally we'll see creating the bulk user accounts based on the CSV file. So let's see the first one, how to sign a script. So in this exercise we'll see we can sign the script. So here we will install a code signing certificate and digitally sign the certificate, and we'll change the execution policy. So let me just open the Microsoft Management Console. So click on Start and type MMC. Click on the MMC. So in the MMC console, click on File and then click on Add Remove Snap-in. And here I'm going to add the certificate snap-in. So here you can click on the certificates and click on add. So here we'll select the account to manage. So here I'll be selecting the my user account and click on finish. So close this, add or remove snap-in. Okay, so let's start the certificate enrollment wizard. So here I have just expanded the certificates current user, and then click on personal. Okay, and then go to all task, and here select request new certificate. So in this wizard, let's start, click on next, and here select the certificate enrollment policy. So here it is selected Active Directory enrollment policy, and click on next. So under the request certificate, let's select the Active Directory enrollment policy. So here let's select Atom code signing and then click on enroll. Okay, so this is succeeded, and then click on finish. Okay, now we see that the certificates added under the personal. Okay, so next I'm just going to close the MMC console and just click on no. Okay, so next click on start and type PowerShell to open the Windows PowerShell. Let me just change the font. So here let me place the code signing certificate under the current user. So let me run the following command: get dash child item cert current user slash signing cert. Okay, so let me assign this command to a variable called cert. Okay, and I'm just changing the location. E drive mod 8 and the lab file. Okay, so here I have some files, so I'm going to change the hello world.txt into hello world.ps1. So for that, run the following command. So rename item hello world.txt into hello world ps1. Okay, now I see that it has been changed into .ps1. Okay, next we'll apply the digital certificate to the hello world.ps1. Okay, set authenticate signature, file path hello world.ps1, certificate set. Okay, so next we'll change the execution policy. Set okay, we can use the set execution policy. So before that, let's find the current execution policy. For that, we can run get execution policy. So right now it is set to unrestricted. So I'm going to change it to all signed. Set execution policy all signed. So here I'm going to is to all. So next run the script hello world.ps1. Okay, here just type always run. Okay, now we see that it display hello world. So next I'm just setting back to the execution policy unrestricted. Yes. Okay, so that's it in this scenario and the exercise. So we have successfully installed a code signing certificate and digitally signed the certificate and changed the execution policy. Okay, so next we'll see the exercise which is processing an array with the for each loop. So in this exercise we will create the test group and then we'll create a script to configure the IP phone attribute. So let me open the PowerShell again. Okay, so I'm going to create a group named IP phone test. So for that, I'll be using the new add group command, and the name IP phone test, and specify the group scope, which is universal, and the group category, which is a security. Okay, next move the IP phone test group to the ITOU. So here we can use the move add object and specify the path. So right now it's in users. Atom com, and the target going to be OU, which is IT GC com. Okay, so we have moved the group to the ITOU, and next we'll add the users to the IP phone test group. Add AD group member, and specify the members who are all needs to be part of that group. I'm just specifying these users. Okay, so next create the ipphone.ps1 file. So next we'll create a ipphone.ps1 file under this location. So we have the the script that perform the steps from 5 to 8 is located in this file. So let me just create the ipphone.ps1 new item ipphone.ps1. Okay, looks like I have created in a different location. So let me create new item lab files ipphone.ps1. Okay, so now I have created under this directory. Okay, so let me open it in the ISE. Okay, let me just create a query for the IP phone test membership. Get dash ad group member IP phone test. Okay, so we can get all the members that we have added to this group. Okay, so next to create for each loop to process users. So next let me put this into the ISE. So in this script, what it does is using the for each, it will take each user in this $user variable, and for each user, it will get the AD user. That means it will just get the user name. So that we are storing in the this variable, and then in the another variable we are just changing the naming convention into the given name plus surname, and at the end we are adding the editum.com, so it will be like the first name dot last name at editum.com, and for this we are changing the attribute for each of the user. So let me just run this script. Okay, so we have changed the IP phone attribute to all the the list of users in this group. So let us just verify for any one of the user. So let me just so these are all the users. Let me just pick Tonia. Get dash AD user. Tonia properties. So I'm just looking for the IP phone. Okay, so here we see the naming convention has been changed to Tonia dot the last name at editum.com. Okay, so that's it in this exercise, and we have successfully created the test group, and we have added the members, and then we have created the naming convention for the IP phone attribute, and then we have changed it for all the users using the for each loop. Okay, so that's it in this video, and we'll see the remaining scenario in the another video. Thank you.